Hi there, students. Diatribe. Okay, a diatribe is a noun, normally countable. So a diatribe is a lengthy, abusive, bitter verbal attack or criticism against a person or a group of people. A rant, and it's not short. So the representative speech was a diatribe against the government's policy. A rant, a tirade, a harangue, vituperation. Notice, if you call something a diatribe, you are being critical of the speech that the person has given. You're critical of the argument. So a diatribe is saying it was a bad speech as well. On Hyde Park Corner, on Speaker's Corner, you can hear diatribes against many different things. A diatribe against modern factory farming. A diatribe against our capitalist society. So, a long and highly critical speech that is bitter and abusive. She started on a diatribe about the faults of her ex-husband. So, if somebody is ranting about something, this is a diatribe. They go on and on, criticising angrily and abusively. So I think Hitler was renowned for his diatribes against the Jews. Generally, a diatribe is not inspiring, informative, or entertaining. It's just boring. The speaker clearly feels strongly about the content of what they're saying, but they're not very good at putting their argument forward. The speaker normally criticises a group or a person who is not present and able to answer the arguments. And typically the speaker talks about this person's point of view or their attitude, and then they show why this attitude is untenable or unreasonable. Okay, so what he thinks is this, this and this, and that's unreasonable because, but diatribes are pretty boring. The newspaper published a diatribe against the Prime Minister, a racist diatribe about immigrants, but his diatribe was unbearably boring. Okay, so a long, boring speech strongly criticising someone. So, what about formality? I think I'd probably give diatribe an 8 in formality. Something semi-formal or very formal. I think informally in the pub, a rant, or to rant about something. He was ranting and raging about his ideas. And then as to origin, well, in Latin there's a word diatriba, which means a learned discussion, a learned talk about something. And that itself comes from ancient Greek, diatribe, which is a way of spending time, a lecture. Dia, through, and tribo, to rub or to wear out. So through rubbing. It works, but just about. So a diatribe, a long, boring, critical speech going on and on about the so-called defects of somebody or over a group of people. So there you go. I hope this wasn't a diatribe. No, I don't think it was. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. diatribe.